Hey guys, it's the Budgie Bouncer, and today I'm going to be talking about how to take care of your pet budgie / good and bad cages for your bird. Now, as you can see, I have took Pickle to this cage. It's very long, as you can see. Water and food been supplied. He got a cardboard roll, which is supported by clips, and he has a swing, and a collarbone. Now, this is as you can see, he has everything he needs. But this is a very bad cage because budgies need wide cages to run around and roam and play and to move. But if you keep a lovebird or another bird that likes climbing, or you find likes climbing, you can buy him a taller cage, and you don't need to buy a wide cage because it's all about stimulation. Now, he has all his games and everything, but actually, if you put too many games in, it might actually he might actually feel crowded and be stressed a lot, and he will start feather plucking and other signs of stress. Now, let me get back to the lovebird situation. Also, I said this in my first video before, that I've said that the different cages for budgies and lovebirds, which is what personally I think is best for them. Okay, don't come in my hand. I'm not gonna force you to. And that's pretty much it for today's video. And one more thing I wanted to tell you about is their food. As you can see, I feed my budgies seeds and millet and fruit once in a while, and I take out the fruit so it doesn't start making smell or becoming rotten. And as you can see, these birds like to eat the actual content inside and leave the shedding at the top of the bowl, or the thing you're holding his food in. Now, as you can see, this half is good food and this half is the seed. And when he comes to eat again and he makes this half the coat of the seed, what I like to do is take out all the coat and put in some new food. And you can also take it like that and then start doing this, so all the top layer of the food can come out. And yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.